I'm selecting the what is the name of that one thing? Okay, edge. So control B to make it like this. I think it's fine, but it looks a little bit wrong. Okay, so what I need to do is to faces normals. Okay, turn on the normals, and we need a little bit more adjustment, smoothness. Okay, for this I need to make this. Okay, now it looks very nice. So what I need to do is to enable the modifier for now to check it. It's fine, but it is not up to the mark as we need. Okay, so we are going to actually we have excluded this. So now for now we are not need to exclude this thing. Okay, we will create this from those things. Okay, so just delete these things. What we are going to do is to select this thing, next to delete. Again select the vertices over here and adjust according to the model, reference model. Okay, actually this image is a reference. So what I need to do is to just fill out this cape. So just select the edges. I have just double clicked on one edge and it will select automatically. Okay, press F. But we don't need like that one thing. Okay, so we need to select these edges and press F, and it will automatically fill like that one thing. Okay, because we need individual faces so that we can adjust. We do not need only one face as before. So that's why I'm doing like that manually by selecting and pressing F to select. Okay, for now what I need to do is to in a front view and just dragging and adjusting the model like that. So we need again to scale and move these edges. Actually I'm moving, not scaling over here. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, actually I need to add an edge over here and another edge over here as well, so that we can adjust it manually. Okay, it's fine now, but I need a little bit more adjustment over here. Again I am doing it manually. Just select over here and again like this. Okay, so now it's getting the shape in which we need the model. So just adjust like this. Okay, like this. Okay, again I'm adding edges over here like this, and select this and over here. Again add another edge over here and move over here. Actually here we can also need to move Okay, I think it's a little bit right now. Okay, so now we are going. Oh, great! It looks great. Means wow. So again, as we know that we need further adjustment like these areas. So and further we will do that as well now. But I'm going to do what I need to do is to as like this. Okay, it's fine now. I think we can adjust this area as well. But I'm trying to do not possible. I think so. Okay, it's fine now. Again we need to increase. Okay, it's fine now. So what we need to do is to adjust little bit over here. Again we have a curvy model over here because we didn't added anything like this. So what I need to do is to okay, fine. Okay, actually what am I doing is I'm just bevel these edges. So like this. Actually I've selected this one thing and control B, press control B and scroll from mouse and it will uh, add more edges. Okay, so by doing this it is not enough for us, so leave it out right now. And edge, actually we are just following the reference image, so that's why it looks like that. Okay, but for the reference image it's fine. Okay, but we need a little bit more means fatness in this model. Okay, so for that what I need to do is to select these faces from over here and edge mode. And again we need to check it out that how it looks like. Okay, so for that I'm going to do is to actually I'm in a front in a top view and adding an edge inside it and in a wireframe and selecting half of the model and delete the faces. Okay, actually I need mirror on that. Okay, so that's why I'm doing like that. But for that I what I need to do is to actually the cursor is over here, our move tool over here. Okay, so for we need it over here. Okay, whenever I'm going to add the mirror it will look like this. Okay, you can see this x y. I think it's fine now. Okay, it's fine. So we don't need means to adjust this move tool. Okay, it's right, see that it's doing great work. Okay, and I click on the clipping. What does clipping do? Actually when I click and this edges and this will be splitted edges. Okay, but when I click on clipping it will not do means separate each other, these edges. Okay, so that's why I used clipping. Okay, so for now when I do the change from here, it will automatically affect from over here. Okay, so you can check it over here. Okay, for that what I need to do is to select some of the edges from here, vertices from over here, and do like that. uh, I'm going to add another one as well, because we need little bit more detailing in it. For that I'm going to enable this and then okay, and select this as well, so that it can be a little bit fatty. You can see that some of the details like this. Okay, we can also add little detailing from this side as well, like this. Okay, we have to add another edge. This, I think it's fine for now. Okay, so what I'm doing is from over here, so it can be looks like that. Just select and move the things accordingly, like this, but it's not smooth, so control Z to leave it for now, but when we need in future we will do that as well. Okay, for now it's fine. Okay, just adjustment over here, and from over here as well. Actually it takes a little bit time to do the things in order to achieve the detail. Okay, so that's why I'm doing like that. So whenever you are going to create the model, you need some of the manual work as well, so that you can achieve the desired results as well. So just doing these things. Okay, 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 great. We need a little bit more edges over here so that we can create like this, like this. Oh, yes, like this. Okay.